won in 5 sets against the Creamline Gold Smashers. Coach, congratulations. PLDT is now on to the final round. After ilang tries din ng PLDT, Coach, finally, andito na kayo sa championship stage. So ano lang yung feeling na ito after so long and with a perfect record dito sa On Tour, nandito kayo sa finals?
Sobrang saya lang na sobrang saya sa sobrang fulfilling na magkaroon ng ganitong laro ulit. Magkaroon ng opportunity na yun nga, Creamline yung makatapat namin and maka-perform sa ganitong stage ulit ng laro. Yun nga, yung mga nakaraan namin laging kinakapos. But yun nga, this time nagtugma-tugma rin siguro talaga lahat. So happy kami na nakuha namin and yun nga, last game na lang, isa na lang, at saka na lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for Kat, 16 excellent digs and 23 excellent receptions in this game. Nung na-secure niyo na yung win, visibly emotional ka din talaga dahil sa panalong to. Can you just talk about the emotions that you were feeling after that game against Creamline?
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach nga, dahil na Creamline din talaga yung katapat namin. Talagang yung tutok sa trabaho talaga ng bawat isa. Hindi lang players pati coaches talaga na. Actually, mga coaches nga namin parang nagiging player na din kasi talagang yung per position talaga ng tao ng Creamline, talagang inaral talaga namin. Kasi nga, given na yung gusto namin manalo, gusto din ng kalaban manalo. So, ang inaano kasi talaga ng mga coaches sa amin yung emotions namin na hindi tataas, hindi masyado babagsak. Kaya yun, so, si Coach Sergio.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, can you talk about yung pinakita ni Sabi sa 5th set, 8 points yung in-score niya para makuha?
Yun nga, siguro in a way nakatulong yung tingin ko lang, yung naging rest ng 4th set. Pagbalik na kasi ng 5th set, na-relax siya ulit medyo stiff lang siya talaga ng simula. Pero yun nga, babalik pa rin dun sa yung mga opportunities namin before na kinukulang. So yun yung naging motivation talaga namin na talagang i-push ko pa ng game namin.
Sumpa ko sa inyo.
Yun nga po, Coach. Binanggit nyo kanina yung mga almost nga ng PLDT last year, nung huling series nyo po. So, kahit ang daming times na muntikan na kayo makapag-finals, ano na lang po pinanghawakan nyo? Or ano meron sa team na to na kahit madaming muntikan, eventually makukuha nyo rin yung finals?
Yung mindset lang na na talaga dadaanan namin So, siguro yung purpose na talaga niya is patibayin kami. Saka yun nga, kahit may mga ganong nangyayari before, naging motivation na lang talaga yung mindset ng mga players na kiramos itong conference.
And Kat, bilang 3 years din sa PLDT, madami ka rin pinagdaan ng highs and lows with the team. Gano'n lang siguro katamis lalo na sabi mo nga, sa hirap ng laban na to against Creamline and lahat ng mga pinagdaanan nyo ngayon nasa finals.
Siguro nga yun nga, yun talaga yung tumibay sa amin yung mga experience namin na almost. Doon kasi doon nagmamature. Tsaka yun nga, inaako naman kasi ng mga bawat tao ano yung pagkukulan namin, individual tsaka as a team. So every training talagang, ano kami, parang one game at a time talaga kami. Hindi namin agad nilook forward yung kung ano yung magiging result ng bawat isa. Yung sa team, talagang ano namin, ang aim talaga namin yung mas mag-improve, ano pa bang kulang namin yung mga past experience namin na almost lang. So yun talaga yung naging motivation namin para yun, yung kung ano man yung naging result ngayon, yun talaga yung parang hugot ng team
Coach, holding 3 games against Creamline, heading to this game, is there a difference po ba dun sa confidence ng team? Paano mo approach?
Confidence, hindi masyado. Siguro basis lang talaga namin. Yung mapapeel lang talaga sa kanila na kaya. Pero strategy-wise, saka tao-wise, yung mga nakuha namin games kay Creamline before, iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang game yung nangyari. So, iba rin yung ngayon. Sadyang yun lang talaga, mas nang ibabaw yung, ito na yung huling challenge kung para makapag-finals. So, yun na yung mas naging motivation.
Coach, I know na galing ka na rin sa Finals before, pero gaano kalaki yung sinasabi dito dun sa balanse ng competition sa liga? Kasi parang first time na it's either hindi galing Petrogas or hindi galing Creamline or Joko Mucho yung naglalaban sa finals. Parang gaano to kaganda para sa liga?
Maganda sa atin.
Maganda na nakaikot. Ganoon naman talaga. Ganoon kasi dinanas din naman namin yung kamera na yung may kulang. Sa Junkies Conference na talaga nakompleto, nakahabol si Sam, nakaperform ulit sila Diana. Si Kim, makabalik din. Siguro yung ganung matchup lang, talagang din mo lang makikita na yung level ng PBL, umangat na rin talaga lahat. So, itong mga nasa gitna, sa nasa ilalim, ayun nga, unti-unti nag-improve sa gumagaling naman. So, yun siguro yung nagiging result, nagkakap na ng nakakahabol na.
Ayun nga po, yung sa amin kasi talaga, sobrang thankful kami kasi nga, yun kompleto kami. So kahit nasa training talaga, pag kompleto kami, ito na, kompleto tayo. Sobrang saya talaga namin. Kasi syempre, isa sa hindrance talaga ng team namin is yung injury. So, malaking bagay siya sa amin na, yung sabi nga ng mga coaches sa amin before nag-start yung game na doon, maganda kondisyon ng katawan namin, yung parang alaga sa katawan. Tsaka yung disiplina talaga ng bawat isa na alagaan ng katawan na iwasan mo na yung ganito, talagang sacrifice talaga yun.
Coach, gano'n nyo lang yan, i-control yung emotion nyo.
May big commercial.
Ay, Coach, yeah, yung pag-control ng emotion kasi medyo bago nga sa team nyo itong pagpasok sa finals. Para lang maging focus pa rin. Kasi baka mamaya sobrang high na kayo, medyo
Yun naman yung lesson talaga kahit going to this conference pa lang. Kumbaga, ito na yung lessons na kailangan matutunan from the past conferences. Na minsan yun ipapalaglag sa amin sa mga pangkahirap. So yun nga, yung objective naman talaga namin is i-manage yung mga kailangan i-manage, i-correct yung mga kaya i-correct. So, ganoon pa rin yung mindset namin. Tatrabahoin pa rin namin yung last game. At least yung last game.
We also have our best player of the game here, Savvy, with 34 points, 9 bigs, and 9 excellent receptions against Creamline. Savvy, in the 5th set, you scored 8 points for PLDT in that set alone. So I guess now that you guys secured the win and are moving on to the finals, how are you feeling with everything that's happened?
It's surreal. I can't wrap my head around it yet, maybe in an hour or two, but I'm sure tomorrow when we start talking about it, it'll kind of hit, but I'm just proud of everybody. I'm proud to be a part of it all. I'm super proud of our community, the people that support us, that love us, so it's just great. It's a good feeling.
Sabi, can you take us through your 5th set performance? You scored 8 in that set.
I think I had to make up for a little bit. I wasn't doing so hot for the first 3 or 4. But pressure's a privilege. I tend to perform better when there's a lot of pressure. That's just my job. I want to be in that role, so I'm just glad it transpired the way it did, and I'm glad it was in the 5th set.
Sabi, the last time you beat Creamline, you also had 34 points. Again, a big game for you. You talked about playing and thriving under pressure and when facing against them, the crowd and everything in your favor. Tonight it was a bit different. You had more. The support was also there for you more. And I guess coming back from a break, I guess how inspiring, recharging has this entire night been for you, Chris?
Every time we play Creamline, it's a different game. We can't play them the same that we played them before. When they target somebody like me, I'm glad that, the middles and Kiana and the defense was all there because there's no way that we could have done that just, it's not a scoring game, it's a whole lot of other stuff. So, the support that we feel on the court, whether that's emotionally or physically, I'm just glad, like I said, to be a part of it. And I wouldn't be, anyone happier on any other team, so I'm glad it's this one.
And in previous conferences, usually the narrative is about finding support for you in the scoring front. How does it feel now that I guess with the more complete PLDT team, you had the support you need, everyone's working, and together you delivered a finals clinching effort?
I think I've always felt supported. It's not so much, what other people do in the game. It's just another look on the other side of the court, or in the middle, or coming from different angles. So it's not so much like I didn't feel like anybody was supporting me, but now there's people firing from all cylinders across the net, and that's really hard to defend. So it makes my job a little easier because it opens up some space for me, right? At the same time, I open up some space for them, so it's a give and take, and I'm just glad that we got to complement each other.
Coach, a lot of people will pinpoint yung mga ganitong panalo kay Sabi or kaya sa return ni Kiana. Pag yan ang kalaking bagay din ba yung return ni Kim? Kasi kumbaga may on tour lang din siya, medyo naging full at strength si Kim Farr.
Sige. Halos sa kanya talaga naka-credit yung pag-run talaga ng offense namin. Yun nga yung pinabanggit before na, kasi kahit naglaro siya nung previous conferences, parang nasa 40% lang siya dahil sa iniinda niya tuhod and all. Pero yun nga, siya rin naman bigyan ng mindset na basta healthy siya, makaka-perform talaga, saka ibabawi talaga yung mga na-miss before. So yun, talagang malaking bagay kasi since ABC, since sa pang-conference, kumbaga hindi yung coach sa loob nagkaroon ng gusto kong mangyayari. So napakalaking bagay. At the same time, yun nga, pwede pa sila magpalitan ni Angge na na-develop na rin. So yun nga, basta kumpleto kami, saka nandiyan yung mga tao, talagang alam namin na kaya.
And then Sabi, not a lot of players or teams can say they've beaten Creamline, but you and the High School Beaters have been undefeated against them. I guess what does that mean for you and I guess this team, what you're trying to build here?
It's always a good feeling to win. This one is just a little bit more sweet because they're such hard competitors. It makes you look back at all the hard work and the sacrifice and all the days that you didn't want to show up, but you did. But like I said, it's a great feeling to be a part of, and I know throughout this season that we've grown closer together because we share sacrifices and hard work. So like I said, I'm glad it transpired, and I'm not glad it was Creamline, but I'm glad we're going to the finals.
Coach, yung finals na kalaban ngayon sa Ligo, maganda rin yung momentum na meron sila heading into that game. Paano lang yung magiging approach nyo on Sunday?
Siguro more of move on agad dito sa Manalo. Hindi naman, nandiyan din yung cherry sa finals dahil tinabaho nila. Maayos din yung tao nila, nakabalik na sila IB, tapos maganda rin yung mga na-pick up nila from the draft. So, malaking bagay talaga na yun nga, makaprepare, saka makamove on, saka makafocus ulit kami na yun na, cherry na tapos sa